Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make crispy fried onions. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna put plain flour, corn flour, cooking salt, and mix together. Put the onion in slices and mix together. I'm gonna heat the corn oil. Put the onion slices. Fry until golden brown. And drain on kitchen paper. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!